all of you are doing a great job, and I'm really proud of you being innovative and making new things. Our next project is going to be creating an animated animal with a pause in it. So what we need to do is click on the new project in the makecode.microbit.org. So I'm going to click on the new project, and I'm going to call it animated animal. I'm going to click the green button, create. And from our previous projects, do you remember how to display a picture on the LEDs? If you like, you can go over here and you can start opening any of these to see if these are anything that you think would fit our project. Well, one of the things is the basics. So we want to show our LEDs, and then you need to create an animal. So I'm just going to make a little dog because I'm not very artistic. But you can choose to do anything that you like. As you can see on our virtual microbit, we have our dog, but I would like to add an animation to it. So I'm going to get another LED. You can also right click on it and duplicate it. So let me take out the blank LED. And I think I'm going to have my dog wag its tail. So let's take a look at it on our, take a look at it there. Okay, our dog's pretty happy, he's wagging his tail. Let's add in a pause. If you just start looking at your code, you can find a pause. The pause is underneath the basic. So in between, I'm going to have our dog pause. He's wagging his tail a little bit slower. Let's try a different number. Ooh, he's wagging his tail really slow. So you can choose whichever one you would like for your project. The next thing we need to do is we need to download it to our microbit. So make sure your microbit is connected and hit download. You may need to pair your microbit. I'm going to do it now. Pair now. Make sure your microbit is connected. Hit next. It's going to display BBC Microbit CM-SIS-DAP. I'm going to click next. My microbit didn't show up, so I might hit the reset button on my microbit. And let's see if it shows up. I'm going to hit try again. Next, next. I'm going to disconnect my microbit, and then I'm going to connect it again. And it came up. I'm going to click on it and hit the button connect, and then done. Now I'm going to download my program to my microbit, and now you should see your dog wagging. Again, if you want more of an advanced grade, you can add something else to it. Maybe you could add a sound to it, like a dog barking or something like that. So I can't wait to see your projects, and I hope you have fun with it.